Morning, ma'am. Ano ba yung ginawa, ma'am? Mukhang masarap yan, ma'am.
Kuya, chicken kebab po.
Chicken kebab.
Opo.
Ano ba yan? Anong kasama ang prutas na, ma'am?
May cucumber saka fresh pineapple.
Okay. Mayroon pa lang to, mga kababayan. Pineapple, saka cucumber. Wow, so sarap ito, mga kababayan, no? Anong oras i-display, ma'am?
Pagtawag lang kuya tugay, pwede na natin display.
Okay. Display na pala yan. Wow, nakakataka, mga kababayan, no? Yung ginawa ni Ma'am Chef, oh. Ma'am, salamat sa pasilip sa iyong ginawang chicken kebab.
Salamat din kuya.
Yeah.
That is equivalent to 60% of the branch capacity of our branches. So that would give room for our for selling other motorcycles and also for redemptions or repossessions from collection team. So how do we do that? Since our handle is the bag disposal, so we want to increase the number of our bag buyers. We want to actually, as of this date, we already generated two. One from Triumph, and the other one is solicited. Yeah, 2 minutes. Solicited from Facebook. So thank you to CRD team. We managed to get one bag buyer from Facebook hosting. Okay. For next year, we want to increase that for the number of bag buyers 50% more than compared to this year. But yeah, we will be also like more aggressive in